Hello everyone, welcome to the Medical Coding with Dr. Ziadaya. In this video series, we will discuss CPT Chapterwise MCQs resembling the real AAPC CPC exam. CPT Chapterwise MCQs on Nervous System, Section 1, Skull, Meninges and Brain. Question number 1. A 3-week-old infant presents with the bulging fontanelle and suspected subdural hematoma. The neurosurgeon performs a subdural tap through the anterior fontanelle. This is the patient's first such procedure. Which CPT codes best describe this procedure? So there are 4 answers available. Pause the video, take your CPT code book and find the answer. So here you have to highlight, this is the surgeon performs a subdural tap through the anterior fontanelle. This is the patient's first such procedure. When you look at the answer, all answers are adjacent codes, so you can use the elimination method for the exam purpose, but for the real working scenario you have to use the CPT alphabetic index. So I will show you both ways. So once you go to the codes, 61,000 says subdural tap through fontanelle or suture, infant, unilateral or bilateral initial. So that is the case here, and the procedure is the first time. This is the patient's first such procedure. So that is the case here. So correct answer will be 61,000. When you look at other answers, 61,001 says subsequent steps. This is the first step. If it is the subsequent step, you have to use this code. 105 says twist drill hole for subdural or ventricular puncture. 108 says for evacuation and drainage of subdural hematoma. But in this case, it's a subdural tap. So the correct answer will be answer B. So if you encounter this case in a real working world, you have to use the CPT alphabetic index. So in the CPT alphabetic index, you can go for the main index term subdural tap. It will lead you to the code 61,000 and 61,001. Again, come back the table list and confirm. Once you confirm, the correct answer will be answer B. Question number 2. A patient with a previously placed ventricular catheter develops signs of increased intracranial pressure. The neurosurgeon performs a ventricular puncture through the indwelling catheter without injecting any substance. Which CPT codes best describes this procedure? So there are 4 answers available. Take your CPT code book and find the answer. So here you have to highlight, this is a previously placed ventricular catheter. A neurosurgeon performs the ventricular puncture. The procedure name is ventricular puncture through the indwelling catheter without injecting anything. Once you look at the answers, all answers are adjacent codes, so you can use the elimination method for the exam first. Let's do the CPT alphabetic index method as well. Once you go to the codes, 61,020 says ventricular puncture through previous Burr Hole, fontanelle, suture or implanted ventricular catheter or reservoir without injection. So that is the case here. Previously placed ventricular catheter without injecting any substance. So the correct code will be 61,020. Let's check other answers as well. 61,026 says with injection of medication, but in this case without injection of medication. 61,070 says puncture of shunt tubing or reservoir for aspiration or injection procedure. That is not the case here. 61,120 Burr Hole for ventricular puncture. But the Burr Hole is already done. You can see previously placed ventricular catheter through Burr Hole or any other method. So the correct answer will be answer A. So if you want to find the answer using CPT alphabetic index, first go to the main index term. Here you can use many methods. So the main procedure here is ventricular puncture. So you can use the direct term ventricular puncture. So when you go to the term ventricular puncture, it's lead you to the following code series: 61,020 to 26. And 105 to 120. Again, come back to the table list and confirms. Once you confirm the answer, the correct code will be answer A. Question number 3. A neurosurgeon performs a cisternal puncture and injects a myelographic contrast agent for diagnostic imaging of the posterior fossa upper cervical canal. Which CPT codes best describe this procedure? So there are 4 answers available. Take your CPT code book and find the answer. So here you have to highlight, this is a cisternal puncture and injects a myelographic contrast agent. So puncture plus injecting agent. So the anatomic position is posterior fossa and upper cervical canal. So let's use the elimination method first. Once you go to the code 61,050, it says cisternal or lateral cervical puncture without injection. But in this case, it injects some contrast material. So next code 61,055 says with injection of medication or other substance for diagnosis or treatment. So in this code, you have to read as up to this semicolon, then reads code. So the code 61,055 read as cisternal or lateral cervical puncture with injection of medication or other substance for diagnosis or treatment. So that is the case here. Once you look at other answers, 61,020 says ventricular puncture through previous Burr hole. That is not the case here. And 62,302 says myelography via lumbar injection. That is not the case here. So here this is the cisternal puncture with the injecting agent. So the correct code will be answer C. So if you want to find the answer using index method, here the main procedure done is cisternal puncture. So when you go to the index term cisternal puncture, it will lead you to the following two codes. Again, come back to the table list and confirm the answer. Once you confirm, the correct code will be answer C. Question number 4. A patient presents with an acute subdural hematoma following a fall. The neurosurgeon creates a twist drill hole in the skull and evacuates the hematoma through the opening. Which CPT codes best describe this procedure? So there are 4 answers available. Take your CPT code book and find the answer. So here you have to highlight this is a subdural hematoma. A neurosurgeon creates a twist drill hole in the skull and evacuate the hematoma through that opening. So this is not the Burr hole, this is the twist drill hole. So let's go to the codes directly. Once you go to the code, 61,105 says twist drill hole for subdural or ventricular puncture. So that is the first part, but the evacuation of hematoma not mentioned here. Let's read other code, 107. Twist drill holes for subdural or intracerebral or ventricular puncture for implanting ventricular catheter, pressure recording device or other intracerebral monitoring device. But in this case, this is evacuation of hematoma, so that is not the case here. 108 says for evacuation and drainage of subdural hematoma. So this is the case here. This code you have to read as follows. Twist drill holes for subdural, intracerebral or ventricular puncture for evacuation and drainage of subdural hematoma. So that is the case here. So the correct code will be answer C. So if you want to find the answer using CPT alphabetic index, you can use several methods. So first you can use the index term subdural hematonia, then go for the subterm subdural hematoma. It will lead you to the code 61,108, or else you can search with this procedure name, that is subdural puncture. Again, it will lead you to the code series 61,105 to 108. Again, come back to the table list and confirm the answer. Once you confirm, the correct answer will be answer C. Question number 5. A patient with a known brain abscess undergoes placement of a Burr hole by the neurosurgeon to drain the abscess. The pus is aspirated through the Burr hole opening. Which CPT codes best describe this procedure? So there are 4 answers available. Take your CPT code book and find the answer. So here you have to highlight this is a Burr hole by neurosurgeon to drain the abscess. So let's use the elimination method to find the answer. Let's go to the codes. 61,140 says Burr holes or trephine with biopsy of brain or intracranial lesion. In this case, this is abscess removal. 150 says with drainage of brain abscess or cyst. So that is the case here. So the code 61,150 should be read as Burr hole or trephine with drainage of brain abscess or cyst. So the correct answer will be answer B. So if you want to find the answer using CPT alphabetic index, you can use the several methods. One method is you can use the procedure. This is the Burr hole method. So use the Burr hole, then go for the subterm for drainage, then for the subterm abscess. It will lead you to the codes 61,150 and 151. Again, come back to the table list and confirm the answer. Or else you can go by the organs. So first go to the brain, then go for the subterm abscess, then go for the subterm drainage. Again, it will lead you to the same code series. Again, come back to the table list and confirm. Once you confirm the answer, the correct answer will be answer B. Question number 6. A neurosurgeon performs bilateral Burr holes for evacuation and drainage of bilateral chronic subdural hematomas. Which CPT best describes this procedure? So there are 4 answers available. Take your CPT code book and find the answer. Here you have to highlight this is the bilateral Burr hole for the subdural hematoma drainage. So let's use the elimination method first. Once you go to the codes directly, 61,154 says Burr holes with evacuation or drainage of hematoma, extradural or subdural. So that is the case here, but it's bilateral. So the within bracket it says for bilateral procedure, report 61,154 with the modifier 50. Modifier 50 for bilateral procedure. So that is the case here. So you have to use this code with the modifier 50. Let's take other answers as well. 61,107 says twist drill hole for subdural or intracerebral or ventricular puncture. 108 says for evacuation and drainage of subdural hematoma. So this is 108 for evacuation of subdural hematoma through twist drill hole. But in our case, it's a Burr hole. Craniectomy or craniotomy for evacuation of hematoma. It is not mentioning about the Burr hole. So the correct answer will be answer B here. So if you want to find the answer using the CPT alphabetic index, you can use the several methods. When you want to find the answer using the organ method, so first go to the organ here, the brain, then go for the subterm hematoma, then go for the subterm drainage. It will lead you to the following code. Or else you can use the procedure method. So here this is the Burr hole procedure. So go for the main index term Burr hole, then go for the subterm for drainage, then go for the subterm hematoma. It will lead to the following code series. Again come back to the tabular list and confirm. Once you confirm, the correct answer will be answer B. Question number 7, a bonus question. A patient has a non-indwelling ventricular catheter. The neurosurgeon inserts a subcutaneous reservoir to be connected to the existing ventricular catheter for medication delivery. Which CPT codes best describe this procedure? So there are 4 answers available. Take your CPT code book and find the answer. Once you find the answer, please leave in the comment section. If you need the answer for this question, please wait for the next part. The next part will start from question number 7. If you have any queries, please leave in the comment section. If you have any doubts or if you want to cover any other topics, you can contact me anytime using my email and the WhatsApp number provided in the description. Please subscribe my channel and check out my other playlist as well. Thank you.